How to bold text in Notes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Folders page. Here, you can view all your note folders. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the New Note icon to create a new note. Once you are in the new note, type in or paste the text you want to format. Now, press and hold or double tap on the specific text you wish to make bold. A context menu will pop up above your selected text. From the additional options, tap on B to apply the bold formatting. As you can see, your selected text has now been successfully converted to bold. You can follow the same steps to bold other parts of your text as required. Then, tap on the check mark in the top right corner to confirm the changes. Following these steps, you can easily bold text in Notes on iPhone.